as hell, bro.
What does Jags have to say?
Jags, dog. Jags is, Jags jokes a lot. But yo, you will laugh your bombs out. I was fucking butt cracking that time I was talking to that nigga, bro. Yo, I laughed as fuck.
Hi, Andy. What I'm gonna do for you? So looking at gold, right? Because I'm literally waiting for the gold show. Yeah, let me greet. Yeah, greet when I greet.
Great.
We got in show.
At Jags, wait.
I
Hey, Ferguson.
the almighty JJ.
Hey, Ferguson, you look more yellow now. What's happening?
Nah. What's happening,
Yo,
people?
this nigga is going like Thailand trips, bro. It's crazy, though.
Hey,
Sure.
hey, it's so much. Angela, I was checking out Indonesia and Bali, bruh. We can do that, bruh. It's like a ticket is like 20, bruh. We can do
But
that.
it just depends, obviously, on what you're flying and time of year you're going or where you're going. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Understand.
Exactly. Because also, even UK, you can go to UK with 8,000 rand.
But why don't we get an empty leg jet? You know what an empty leg is?
Explain.
But
You see, explain.
why you wanna expose us now? You should just
Explain. What is that?
Okay, we're gonna text. We're gonna plan the trip. Then we're gonna go.
No sweat. We can do something.
One thing I picked up is some of the countries, when you travel to them, they don't need visas, bro. Oh, that's
Yeah, exactly. Some of the countries, and also some of the countries, it's actually expensive to go, but to stay there, it's actually very cheap. I was checking out like some of the other vacation places. Okay, the only thing that is expensive is just the ticket going there, but staying, it's not that expensive.
100%. It just depends, obviously, on the exchange rate, like the country you're going to. Like 7 years ago when I went to Thailand, the exchange rate was like 1 to 7. Now it's like 1 to 3, 1 to 2.
was it
See,
time when you went?
Sorry?
what's cheap?
Yeah.
What's
Was it expensive?
expensive? What's more expensive?
Like the rates when you had to go exchange that side.
This time around when I went to Thailand, it was like, as I said, the exchange rate was like 1 to 3.
Hey Ross, hey Ross. I see Ross. What up, Ross?
Ross, yeah.
Ross, don't worry, we won't leave you. You will have to always cut our hairs while we are in Thailand.
Yeah,
Ross is
100%.
the god. Yo, bruh, I miss Ross. Yo.
Are you still in
You
Kenya?
must come back to this fucking cock of yours of being in Durban is.
I mean, how can you come back to Durban and leave things like this and leave
Yeah.
things like
Show us boobs, man. Fuck that. Oh, this nigga, what the fuck?
You're doing our wrong shit.
Bro, I'm actually alone in this bitch, so you can't be doing that
How's
bullshit.
Cape Town, bro? How's Cape Town?
One thing I'll tell you, it's fucking hot here.
Is it hot?
Yo,
Fuck.
Is it windy?
Yo, this side, Devon is cold, bro. Devon today, even yesterday, bro. Yo, it has been cold. Yes.
but I mean, I'll pull up to Durb possibly in about 2 weeks. I'm finna meet up with you there.
Yeah. No problem.
Yeah, boy. Every time. I want us to go my rich lifestyle, dog, in Durban. Yo,
there, bro. You gonna see? You waiters. They look like they wanna fuck you. Waiters.
bruh.
People who bring bottles. How do you bring a bottle while you are on top of another man's head and then you are naked? You bring I rich lifestyle.
You know what? I was in Durban, right? And I was looking for vibes. I called up Jags. Jags plugged me 4 to 5 places, bro. But the one that popped out was this one called the Rich Lifestyle because only rich niggas go there. I went there. The lady there, yo.
Is it crazy?
But remember that crazy ex of yours? Everybody there acts like her.
Crazy.
I'm telling you.
Ferguson, where are you? Are you in South Africa?
Yeah, I'm back in South Africa now.
Oh man.
Yes,
People talk too much. Are you all still buddies? Guys, why can we hate each other? What, like, people must relax. Before I tell you your news, relax. Hey, relax.
Go live.
yeah, I'm back in SA now, bro. But SA is cold as fuck, bro. Like when I was in Qatar, it was like ranging between 45 and 50. It was crazy.
That's in you are a travel. How dirty is your passport? You are on your fourth, probably. Are you on your fourth?
Nah, bro, yo. I've had a lot of passports, maybe like 8 or 9. I've been to a lot of places. I've been to a lot of places. Yes, sir. But we must travel, bro. Guys, people need to understand, bro. Like SA is beautiful, but there is life out of SA. You know what I'm saying? Like we need to see the world. You learn so much about people.
Yeah. At least when we start, we're not gonna start in Africa. Let's do those figures in places. Because Africa let's start on those figures.
Yeah,
Come to Africa. Come to Africa. Because I feel like the whole Africa is the same. We'd rather do something out, man. Like probably Australia, even though it's racist, but more Australia, chill there. More Australia. And this magazine, how Jambies when you can stay in Australia, how Jambies.
Yeah, bro, but it's okay, but it also all depends on like what you guys want to do, right? You must remember certain countries have certain laws. So like a lot of the countries I go to, they're super chilled. Australia is strict.
Yo, Ferg, you know which country I want to do? You know what is that country? Is it Netherlands? Where they're like genuinely like, bro, you can shop a girl, like the girls are put like this, and then you can just go window shop.
Okay,
Exactly, Netherlands. It's at Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Amsterdam.
I want to go there.
The red light district. It's called the red light district in Amsterdam. That place is crazy, bro.
I want to go there. You see where you
I
can shop
wanna
girls.
No, but Andy, I'm telling you now, listen here, right? That place is crazy. But if you want women like unlimited women in your life, Asia, bro, it's insane.
You
Like,
know,
you have no
the place I wanna go.
Yeah.
It's called
Puerto Rico.
The Philippines. Ooh, that's where I wanna be.
It's called the Philippines. The Philippines is
Philippines.
Nice.
That's where I wanna be.
Yes,
Everyone is kick there.
I'm not allow Jax to go to the Philippines. It will end in.
I'll never come there.
It will end in. Yes, chief.
Yes, sir.
I'll never come back. I'll be feeding my cravings.
Bro, and then Ferguson is telling me that I should go to Asia, bro. Yeah, Ferguson, you love skinny. You love skinny and petite, bro. I can't do petite girls, bro. I can't.
I'm just letting you know.
Mexican women and Jamaican and Brazilian women.
Yeah, South American women are the best women in the world. Let's be honest.
Exactly. Now
South
you have
American women are the best women in the world, innit? So then we must do places like Argentina, Brazil, those places, because their laws are more down, but the chicks are. You get me?
Hey, Ferguson, you will love this thing when you start talking about girls.
Are you now dating?
No, bro, I'm not in a relationship.
Fuck that. This nigga would never date, bro.
You know Andrew got a girlfriend. Yeah,
I saw something like
Andrew Tate or Goat Andrew.
No, Andrew, Goat Andrew. No, what? Andrew, the broker, Andrew. He got a wife. He got a girlfriend. Do you know something crazy? You know when they say South African women love money, I totally agree. You know that guy, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast has a girlfriend from Cape Town. Imagine.
Yeah, I know her sister. She's so hot, bro. I know her sister. She's based in Cape Town.
You must plug her. You must plug her.
Yeah, I know his sister, bro. But her sister's in a relationship with this other guy, but he's dusted, bro. Like, yo, I'm gonna get rid of that boy, and then I'm gonna slip in there for sure. I'm gonna send you a profile, and really.
Bro, you listen here. It's you. That girl ain't gonna be dusted, bro. You can operate something. You are Ferguson. You are Justin Bieber of South Africa.
Yeah.
You can confuse the fuck out of that girl.
Yeah, I'm not saying she dusted. I'm saying her man's is dusted. Like she's been with this other guy, and I don't even know what he does, bro. Like he looks like he lives.
How
such an
Jags,
average
how
life.
did you know that Mr. Beast has a girlfriend in Cape Town, chief?
No, I was googling how can he do his charity on me. I saw that he has a girlfriend.
Yeah, he met her when he was in Cape Town, bro, at a restaurant.
Yeah.
And now she lives that side
Do you
with him. But
know
the sister
something
still
crazy?
says that.
Do you know something
Yeah.
crazy? This is the craziest fact ever. That Elon Musk's parents still stays in Cape Town too now. They still stay in Cape Town.
Who?
Elon Musk's parents, they still stays in Cape Town.
Yeah, 100%. They buy their cars from Carbon Auto, his dad.
Fuck.
Nah, but
Know that shit too.
God, bro. Yo.
Bro, his dad actually ended up marrying years later his stepdaughter. How crazy is that?
Elon
What?
Musk,
Elon Musk's dad, yeah.
Married his stepdaughter.
Yeah, years later.
What the
Bro, if you go to
but
even
it happens. What way it happens? Yeah. What?
that shit doesn't
That was
happen.
the hottest. Yeah, I remember that. Thing.
How would
I
you
remember that thing.
marry your stepdaughter, bro? That's disgusting.
What if the stepdaughter? You don't have a relationship with the stepdaughter. You don't have any blood. There's nothing
Wait.
that is a relationship.
Miss Dime, bro, can you take the phone? Show Miss Dime there.
Just she's hiding. Yeah, she's hiding.
Miss Dime,
Yeah.
Yes.
do you have siblings? Do you have beautiful siblings?
No, I don't.
Oh, you are saying. Otherwise, Jags was going to for you all of them. Chief,
No, listen. If Miss Dime came to a relationship with a child, and the child ends up being hot at 1920, tamati
I
hair.
was gonna kill you.
there was no way she was not gonna be nice. Miss Dime is a beautiful lady for you, my G.
Obviously, man. So,
Exactly.
Ferguson, I miss your weed strains. Hey, bruh, you come with nice weed every time. I miss your weed, bruh.
He's better now. He doesn't smoke a lot. He just chews a lot now.
Yeah.
You don't smoke?
No, I actually stopped smoking for like 3 months, but now I smoke again, but not as hard.
Do you smoke cigarettes now? Or you
Nah.
stopped with them?
Nah, I stopped at the 6.
But cigarettes, I remember there used to be the guys who used to finish your cigarettes in the office, but it's better that you use.
Hey, Jax, why do you have to remind us about that thing, bro? Are you
Let's leave it. The other
We
time,
did the pause.
the time Ferguson came red as fuck, like it was pink. I'm tired. These guys are asking for a lift every day.
Hey. Jack,
Yo, you know, dog, I'm not gonna let's not even talk about everything. You're gonna bring like unnecessary stress in my head. Just leave
yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah.
Jack,
Anyway,
how long
Yeah.
have you been back in KZN?
yo, bro, it's been 7 months now.
Oh, so it's a long time.
It's a long time, but next week I'll be back in Gauteng full time again.
Come back, chief.
Oh,
Come
you're
back.
moving back.
One thing, my honest opinion and my honest review of Durban is that there is less people. Like there's really less people, so business is not as booming as Joburg. Joburg business is booming, bro. Online.
Yeah. Crazy.
So this side, like there's less people. Like literally comparing the scale of Gauteng, not to say the whole entire province, which is KZN, which is obviously big, but the number of people that step into the soil of Durban.